So I'm sitting here, and I don't know if it's fully visible from here, but those are little military tankers. And I was just reading my Bible, and God has been giving me a lot of scriptures about destruction and judgment in Isaiah. And God spoke to me and let me know that war was coming. And I've been sitting here for a while now. That might have been like maybe 30 minutes ago. But now all of these little tanks are on this train. And immediately God allowed me to connect what he had just spoke to me to what I'm seeing now. And God is definitely warning his people. And we know that there's spiritual war, and we also know that there's a war of the Armageddon war, different wars. We know the Bible says that there will be wars and rumors of wars. So not only is there going to be rumors, a lot of people just get stuck on, oh, it's just a rumor, but there's going to be wars in addition to those rumors. And I'm pretty sure those rumors are going to come from people hearing about war and knowing that war is going on. So then people are just going to be assuming that war is just breaking out everywhere. And it could be. So this is definitely a sign. This is definitely not a coincidence that I am here. And that, because I've never seen this. I've never ever, even, riding through here, I've never seen these tanks and military equipment like this. But when you're in God, when you know that no matter what happens in the world, that if you die in Jesus Christ, you'll be saved, you'll be going to heaven, then you don't have to fear. And that's what it's all about. That's what our life is really all about. We're here to give God the glory, to live for him, and to help others to choose to live for him. We can't force anybody, but we can just definitely be a light and tell them about Jesus and what he's done for us, like he commissioned us to do. But this is definitely not a coincidence at all.